So let's begin. To generate an automatic table of content, first of all we have to fix the styles. Like if it is a heading, then we have to choose heading 1. This one is another heading. This is a subheading. So I will choose heading 2 for this. I also can modify the font, the color, or the font size, font style, anything you want. Then this is another heading, this is a subheading, this is a subheading. So first of all I have to define which one is heading and which one is subheading with style. If it is heading 1, then it is heading. If it is heading 2, then it is subheading. There are also heading 3, and this is the title of the report. You can use this for your report title. I have used here title. Okay, so when we
from heading 2 you have taken the title?
Sorry?
From heading 2 have you taken the title?
Not from heading 2, it's after heading 3. There's a style called title. You can use this for your report title. Click on the more button and
I was searching, so I didn't find it.
so after we have assigned the styles on headings and subheadings, then we have to go to reference, click on table of content. Here are some preset for table of content. You can choose any of these. So when you click, it, I have already a table of content. Let's delete it. Remove. Now if I click table of content, insert table of content, here you will find the options: table of content, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. It will follow this indentation. Okay, if you click OK, the table of content will automatically generate. And now if you have to change anything in this page, like if you take this subheading to another page, then the page number will be changed, but here the page number is same as the previous one. So if we want to update this, click on update table, update page numbers only, because I haven't swapped any of these topics. I have just sent a topic in the next page, so I just have to update the page number. if I change the order of these topics, like if I cut monthly review section and paste it after client's overview, then the whole order will be changed. In that case, I have to update entire table. If I choose this, then the entire table will be updated. Is it clear? So is there any other issues?
Before the contents page, I have seen no blank page.
No blank page.
Yeah, how can I?
Okay, if you have any blank page above like
About the first page, maybe.
here is a blank page. So what you have to do, you take the mouse here, the cursor, mouse pointer, and then press backspace.
So, actually, page number দিলাম, page number set করলাম। প্রথমে একবার horizontal শুধু একটা set করছি। তারপর আবার মনে হলো যে vertically করলে দুটি একসাথে চলে আসছে। মানে এক্ষেত্রে কি করা যায়? যেমন প্রথমটা আমি চাচ্ছি না।
Okay. So first of all, you have to delete the first one. Then you can enter again, insert again.
Is
Well,
there any option?
yes. If you want to delete the page number, you just select it and delete. Press backspace. If it is in your footer, then double click on the footer and then select and press backspace.
This is the one I have already given the whole book. At that time, every
It
page
will-
I need to do.
No, not in every page, in every section. If you have several sections, then you have to just remove the page numbers from different sections. And then,
One by one.
yes, one by one.
Okay.
If there is several sections. But if it is in one section, then you just have to delete it once. And then you can,
This normal rule, this normal rule I know that space or delete.
Okay, okay.
Delete it. I think, is there any option? I thought
well,
it might have an option.
if it is only page number, You can change some formats. There are some
Yes, I applied
default
it. Yeah, I applied it.
options. See. Page margin,
There is remove
vertical
page
left or
number.
vertical right.
The last option is remove page number. I can use this.
Yes, you also can use this. Any other problems?
Cover page টা নিয়ে
হুম জি সরি দেখতেছি আচ্ছা okay the problem was there are two kinds of text. One is dynamic and another is static. We use these terms in software programming or web designing. Static texts are just simply text as we type. Okay, but dynamic are a bit different. The first text, which was saying that type the company name, it is a dynamic text. Now I have to type my text here. You can type whatever you want. So the problem is dynamic text changes dynamically sometimes. So if you want to save the text you have written, first of all you have to convert it to a static text. To do this, click right button and remove content control, then it will be static. It won't change again unless you remove it, replace it with some other text. That was the problem when we were saving, but when it was dynamic, it changes automatically. Sorry?
Which cases we have faced this kind of problem?
When we work with a template, we have inserted this cover page from template, and that's why it's having some problem. the page color
Yeah, fill page color.
from where are you changing
Page layout.
uh,
Page color.
this page color.
She has questioned you that some lines, one page is not
It's not working.
working according to the sheet.
Okay, let me see. Okay, let me show this thing. When I copy a paste from internet, it also copies the format. So when we paste it here, it brings the format with it. Okay. So if you want to follow the format of this page, so I have to right click, paste. You will see a paste option here. Click. If you choose match destination formatting, then this the formatting of this text will be changed to the existing similar as the existing document. But if you choose keep source formatting, then it will keep the formatting of the source. Okay, so if you choose match destination formatting, it will be Calibri and 11, because initially when you open a document in Microsoft Word, the text the font family is set to Calibri, which is the default font of MS Word 2007, and the size remains at 11 point. This is the default formatting of text in MS Word. So if I change the font size, and again I copy it and I paste it, match destination formatting. Sorry, there is,
This is not clear.
yes. Okay, let me paste it again. Paste, match destination. I have changed the font to 14 size. That's why it matched to the text selected. Okay. If you choose keep text only, then it also remains at the destination file font format. See, Calibri 11.
Really fast.
When you copy from internet and paste it in Notepad, it actually pastes the text as a plain text with no formatting. That's why when you copy from Notepad and paste in MS Word, it takes the default font format. But you can do it here.
We used to do this.
Yes, you can do it here directly. Okay, so earlier we have seen table of content. Now we will see table of figure. Here I have inserted several images. First of all, I have to caption this. Here is the insert caption button. If you click it, it will give you a window where you can type the caption of this photo. This is the label, because when I use tables, we can choose table. If it is a table, we can choose table, or it is if it is an equation, you can choose equation, or it is a picture or a smart art charts, you can choose figure. This is the label. Okay, so this is figure 1. Insert caption also here. Figure 2, figure 3. You can type the names. So there are 8 figures. Now if I want to insert table of figures, select it, click OK. So this is figure 1, the name and page number. I haven't chosen names for the rest of the image, that's why no name is showing. Okay, so thus we can create a list of figures or table of figures automatically. And the updating is similar. If you if any pages are changed, like if I press Ctrl and enter, it will go to another page. And now come back to the table of figures, select it and update table, update page numbers only if you just change the page number, but if you change the order also, then you have to update the entire table. So click OK. You see the page number has been updated. This is very similar to the table of contents. Okay, so let's try it. Open a new document. Insert images. If you click Ctrl A, all the images will be selected, and then insert. Then you will get an images in every pages. So selecting the image, go to reference and click on insert caption. You can write the name of your image here. Then click OK. Your caption will be set. You have to do this for all of your images. We can also choose auto caption. We can also choose auto caption. I have selected the item as bitmap image, then click OK. No, it's not working. Yes, auto caption. Yes, insert caption. Okay, after captioning, I need some place above all images.
Pictures can be, if you have a number of pictures, then the pictures can be selected at one time, no?
Yes.
Can be selected at one.
Yes, you can select it.
That is like control something.
Yes, control, press control.
One.
uh,
Control and click.
Well, it depends on the format, for the wrapping format. Like if it is in line with text, then you can just move your cursor pressing shift. See, it will be selected like texts. But if it is in any other wrapping option, then you have to click and press shift, then click the other image.
Can't it work like header or footer? Like I select only one picture, first picture as figure 1, and automatically the second one, third one will be changed like figure 2, figure 3, figure 4.
Actually, you generally use different captions for different images.
Okay.
Well, so if you use this one like mountain, you caption this like flower, so there is no similarities. Okay, but you see, this is figure 2. When I insert caption here, this is automatically figure 3. This numbering it can do, but if you numbering it can be done, but the figures names are can be anything.
Can I see again the numbering function?
Okay. If you choose the image, go to reference, insert caption. Here is automatically you will see figure 8. Then you can just click OK. Or you also can change the numbering method, as we have done in for page numbers. You can change the numbering too. And here are some options, which is the label. If it is an image, then you have to choose figure, or if it is a chart, you have to choose figure. But if it is a table, you have to choose table. If it is an equation, you have to choose equation. These are labels for these items, and this is the position of the caption. You can position it above your text, above your content, or you can set it below your item. So if you click OK, the caption is here. You can type anything in the caption field, like okay, this is the name. No, not auto caption. It's not working. Yes, it's also not working in here because the type is not matching. I don't know why. Because I have chosen bitmap image, but it is not matching this item. So now if I want to insert the table of figures, if I want to insert the table of figures, select the location and insert table of figures, and the figure will show here. So
come automatically. Yeah? It will give automatic page number. Am I right?
Yes, automatic page number, but you can set the page number also.
Yeah. If I face numbering page, yeah, then I can change manually. That means in the text I can change the page number.
Sorry?
If I face problem in numbering page number,
Page number,
yeah,
yes.
then I can fix it from the figure text. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has already come automatically.
Yes, yes.
But I need to know more that if I face problem in
Numbering, you
because
can.
now I have given.
Okay, you can also enter the page numbers manually if you need. Okay, so this is the way of preparing table of figures automatically. Okay, now we will work on footnotes. If I create a footnote, place your pointer, place your cursor in the position you want a footnote, then go to reference and click on insert footnote. Then there will be a place where in the footer, above the footer, you can type your footnote here. Okay. You can type your footnote here. Again, say insert footnote. Notice that it numbers automatically. The first one was 1 and the second one is 2 and so on. Okay. You can switch among footnotes from this button. Next footnote takes you to the next footnote, and the previous one takes you to the previous. The footnote format generates automatically, but you can change the size, the font family, and the font style according to your need. You can increase or decrease the font size. you also can change the font family also and font style. So you can apply the similar kind of text formatting on any text in MS Word, whether it is a caption or it is a footnote or footer, header, anything. So now I will show you how to create bibliography automatically. Okay. In reference tab there is an option for citation and bibliography. To insert a citation, first of all you have to create the source. Click on add new source, then you will find a window where you will create the source of your information. So first of all you have to choose this type of your source, like it can be a book, it can be a journal article, it can be a report or a website or interview, film, images, anything. So when you select, first of all you have to select the type of the source, then you have to write the name of the author. It can be Mr. XYZ. Then you have to choose the title of the book. Sorry. This is the year of publishing. This is the city of publishing and the name of the publisher. So if I click OK, the citation will be created. If I insert a bibliography, then I have to choose this format. This format is, you see, this format is according to the option you choose from here. If you choose Chicago, this format will be changed. So if you click on bibliography and built-in bibliography, then the bibliography will be created. If you add more sources, you can choose more sources. Just click on update. If you click on update citation and bibliography, the new source will be added and it will add above the previous one. So you can create source and just click on update citation and bibliography, and the sources will be added to your bibliography. And you can also change the format, change the style, like if this is APA style, and if you choose Chicago style, it will change accordingly. Okay. Okay, so here are some sources. So if you want to edit any source, you go to manage sources, select the source, click on edit, and now you can again edit your sources. You can change any text you want. There might be some confusion regarding name format. To minimize the problem, there is another option in beside author name, which is edit. If you click it, it will show the naming format used in internationally, like last name first, then first name, and there is middle name. So there are different name fields for different part of your name.
Naturally, we use last name, comma, first name, dot, and the article name, which is inverted. In the journal name, like this.
No, this is not the option. This is the option for just name of the author. Like if it is William Shakespeare, then you have to write Shakespeare here, then first name here. It will automatically change the format. And we don't have to worry about the bibliography format, because if we just
follow the command.
yes, you have to just choose the right command. Like if you want in Chicago style, just select the Chicago style, and if you want to follow APA style, click on APA style. That's it. So there are lots of things. These are very user friendly. So is there any problem understanding this? So now we will go to mail merge now. Mail merge is another automatic feature which can generate hundreds of mails automatically. Like if you want to send an invitation to 100 people, you don't have to create 100 letters by yourself. You just type the letter, body of the letter, and you can generate the letters for 100 people with mail merge. But first of all, you have to create a list of your recipients. You have to create a list of the recipients, and following that list, Microsoft Word will generate different letters for different persons. So now I will show you an example. You can see I have two files. One is the letter and the another is the list, which is in Excel. First of all, I am opening the letter. This is the letter. This letter will be sent to different persons, different business contacts. So first of all, I have to go to mailing tab. Here I will find start mail merge button. First of all, I have to choose the right option. Like if it is a letter, then choose letter. If it is an email message, choose email message. And there are other options like envelopes, labels, and directory. And now, as I am sending a letter, I am choosing letter. This is the first step. And now I have to select recipients. If we click on select recipient button, three options will be available. Type new list, use existing list, select from Outlook contacts. Outlook is another software of Office Suite which used for mailing purpose. You can create your own contact list, update it, and you can just receive and send emails using Outlook. So if you want to select contacts from your Outlook message inbox, then you can choose this, select from Outlook contacts. If you want to type new list, then click on type new list. But if you have an existing list, click on existing list. If you click this, first of all, the file browser will open, and now you have to choose the file where the list is ready. Here is the list. Now select the file and click open. You know, there are different sheets in an Excel file. You can see sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. These are there are 3 default sheets available in MS Excel when you open the file. So my recipient list is in sheet 1, so I am choosing sheet 1. Now click OK. The list is uploaded or linked to this file, and now I can see edit recipient list. Earlier this option was disabled, but now I have added the list, so this option is active. Now if I click it, a list will come. You see, these are the names of the person who I want to send this letter. Here are the fields of the information, like last name, first name, title, address, city, state. These are the address fields. So now you can sort, you can filter, if you do not want to send emails to each of this person, then you can uncheck the name of the persons who you don't want to send this email. If you can deselect all, if you want to deselect all, click on this tick on the top. And now if you check this box, all of the recipients will be selected. So here we can choose the persons who we want to send the mail. And now if you click OK, the recipients are selected. Now I have to insert the address block. Now click on the address block. A option will come to show how you want to prepare the address block. Like if you click this, only the last name or only the first name. This is another format. So these are the format on which you want to send the letter. If it is the whole family, then you can choose the Randall family. Here are the previews. These names are available in your recipient's name. These are their address. You can see if all the names are okay. You can preview this from here. This is more official. Kathy Albertson. Here are the persons and their addresses. You can preview it here. Okay. Now if you click OK, this address blocks, this text, this is a dynamic text. This will not print. Actually the names, the original names of the persons and their addresses will be print. We can see this clicking on preview results. If you click on preview results, you will see the full name and the addresses, and you can switch between different recipients from here. Okay, so this is the dynamic text which changes according to the recipient's name from the list of the recipients. And here you can insert a greetings line. Like dear Mr. Randall or something like that. You can choose, or you also can choose this. If you click OK, you also can choose the punctuation you want. If you click OK, the greeting line will be here. Click on preview, you will see Kathy Albertson and dear Miss Albertson. Okay, so now this is ready for print. If you click on finish and merge, then it will there will three options. Edit individual documents. If you need to add something or deduct anything or edit the message for any individual recipients, then you can click it and you can choose the persons, like from second to third. I mean, if you want to add some text for person 2 and person 3, then you have to choose from 2 to 3. Then 2 letters will appear and you can add anything or deduct anything. See, this is person 2 and this is person 3. You can change this here. Okay, so if you don't have if you don't want to change anything, then you can print all the letters. You just give the command print documents and all the 8 letters will be printed. Okay.
My question is how to customize the address block. Can we customize?
Yes. Here is an option, insert merge field. Okay, from address block you can choose if you want to insert postal address. If you click on match fields, there are some fields that you want you can add or deduct, like company. Well, first of all, you must have those fields in the recipient list. If you have those in the recipient list, then you will find that here. Let's check. Oh, this is, I think, Windows 2010. Okay. If these fields are available, you can match these fields from this file to the recipient list. Okay.
Okay, I got my answer. But another thing is, can we change the position of the address block? It's now in the top. Can we down it or right side of the letter or left side of the letter?
Okay, if you want to, you can change the position, like if I put my cursor here and insert the address block, it will come here. If you you can also insert it inside a text box. Here, so you can put it anywhere. Okay.
And automatically it will appear every letters.
Yes.
Now I have to copy it and paste it where I want.
Not paste it, you have to insert it. You just have to insert it. Yes.
So how
When
do
we inside the recipient list, when we generate the list as well, it automatically in MS Access format.
I guess so, because Access is the database
Yes.
portion of MS Office.
It will be easy to change the address line or something in MS Access.
MS Access is very useful for database purposes. It offers a lot of other things, but the simplest way is to create the list in Excel, because not all of us are familiar with MS Access. So can we take a break?
yes,
Okay, thank you.